7 brutal rules and how you can win the game at work. Rule 1. Visibility is as important as performance. Regularly update your team and your superiors on your progress. Being visible creates opportunities for advancement. Rule 2. Get a sponsor, not a mentor. Somebody who can get you promoted, land you the next job, build relationship with influential people. Rule 3. Perception is reality. You have to manage how you come across. Your reputation impacts your future growth. Rule 4. Always align with key stakeholders. Understand their priorities and concerns. Align your efforts so you are noticed by those who matter. Rule 5. Initiative drives progression. Proactively seek out opportunities beyond your job description. Rule 6. Solve problems before they arise. Be proactive. Problems derail your progress. Anticipation can take preventive action. Rule 7. Discretion makes people trust you. Sharing sensitive information gives you status. Okay, you build trust among your peers and superiors by being discreet. That's for today. See ya.